entry for Army Recognition editorial team at MSPO 2017, the International Defense Industry Exhibition in Kielce, Poland. This is very important for the Polish defense industry, but there is also a large presence of international companies from 27 countries from all over the world, including France, United States, Israel, Italy, Norway and more.
Proposal for the Polish Navy is an offer in terms of the construction of at least 3 to 4 submarines here in Poland. That is quite important. Also a very huge cooperation between MBDA and us in order to offer the naval cruise missile, and also the new technology in terms of AEP system. That is our second generation fuel cell AEP. That's quite important, I think, for Polish Navy in order to manage this kind of weapons, also this kind of submarine in which we have already integrated all the technology that we have on nuclear technology also. In terms of cooperation with the Polish enterprise, we have offered more than 2,000 different jobs regarding to this cooperation in terms of the construction, training centers, and so on. Also in terms of maritime or marine renewal systems, in terms of energy. We are really interested in this project. We are planning to make a huge cooperation with them, and not only for the Orca project, also for future projects, not only here in Poland, also for European countries.
In IDEX 2017 we signed a strategic partnership with the VOP, so that's not only to market our vehicles and sell them into Europe, into Eastern Europe particularly, but also to look at technology transfer, so assembly of our vehicles and ongoing ILS support to countries in the region. Obviously they are available to market any of our vehicles, but primarily the interest in Europe is for our vehicle here, the Ashbam 440A. So there's a lot of Land Rover replacement programs in some of the countries in the region. So we're looking to target that with our Ashbam 440A, but it's our NATO version. So this is now cold weather compliant, EMC compliant, obviously as well as blast and ballistic compliant to STANAG standards. The Ashbam range is built on a common platform, so it's obviously for ease of logistics and spares and training. There's a variety of soft skin and armoured vehicles, and they're available for a complete fleet solution to our customers. The vehicle itself is very mobile, highly protected, but mainly agile over rough terrain. It's got low ground pressure, a high horsepower engine, and big tyres, so on off-road it's excellent performance here. In the Middle East we're very well established. We have 2,000 vehicles in service and combat proven, but now we're looking to expand our sales footprint to other regions, so Asia and Eastern Europe, and through our partnership with VOP we're targeting various programs, Land Rover replacement programs in the region. And through technology transfer of our products, so for assembly and manufacturing locally, and support through our partners such as VOP. Poland obviously announced a big budget increase, nearly 50 billion euros in the next 15 years. So obviously it's a very interesting market for us, and we're open to working with local entities here as well to promote the NIMA vehicle.
We are here to help. We are here to build bridges between the Polish industry and the Polish army and in general the users and Rheinmetall Group. I think we are here also to provide some form of translation of interest because this part is very crucial to start build a good relationship at the very beginning, and also to understand the specific of the Polish market and bring together parties to make business based on the product from Rheinmetall Group and based on the Polish content, Polish workforce as well, and create together new business endeavors, not only sell equipment for Polish Army. There are 2 programs today. One called is Pegasus, second is a Homer, and there is still discussion how big is the number of the vehicles which will be needed and what type of solutions should be installed on those vehicles. So we are still in this technical phase, but also very important part of it is the localization or local content. And I think Rheinmetall has a very good idea how to localize the production in Poland and to involve the Polish industry in this project, and also to establish some kind of a long-term strategic cooperation with Polish industry. We believe that IMPV is a very good solution for the Polish Army. There are ongoing programs and technical dialogues regarding 4x4 vehicles, and also Lynx as a vehicle which could be presented to the Polish Army as an option to replace the old military vehicles which are now used by the Polish Army. And this concept is also very proven to be used by it. Basically, this configuration, what we have here, is the infantry carrier. It's also equipped with a lance turret, but this vehicle it has a modular concept. So it means that it could be also changed into other form of application like ambulance, military command center, reconnaissance vehicles. So the main feature of this concept, and this is kind of a new way to be used, is the way that it could be changed into various solutions very quickly, one day, and then you have a different form of vehicles that you can use on the field, which is completely new idea and completely new approach comparing to the old solutions.
We are here in this show and we are showing this helicopter because we are participating at two of the most important tenders in Poland. One is the Special Operating Forces and the other one is the ASW for Navy tender. Both two tenders are quite important for us, and we believe that the 101 is the ideal product for both requirements. The 101 satisfies 100% all the requirements of the Polish Armed Force and Polish Navy. Is a proven helicopter in basically Nordic countries and in very harsh conditions. Is the ideal platform for maritime operations. I mean, the 101 is the helicopter that fully satisfies all the requirements for the Polish Army, is a proven platform, has got extraordinary capability, extraordinary safety with 3 engines. This model in particular is already used in NATO operation by the Italian Armed Force. We believe that this is a proven helicopter, that is the only helicopter that can satisfy the requirement of Polish Army in extreme conditions.
I'm a pilot instructor with this helicopter, and this is a helicopter, a big helicopter with big size, with the role is CSAR, Special Ops, and Search and Rescue also. This is HS-101, CSAR is the name of this helicopter. This is the advantage of this helicopter is the size. We have a big cargo compartment, so we have the possibility to carry many people, and also we have a good movement inside the cabin. Also, this is a new generation helicopter with the new integrated avionics, and that permits us to plan easily and perform easily our missions. The main advantage is the navigation features of this helicopter that permit us to navigate easily and to plan since before the flight. The big advantage of this helicopter is the size of a cargo compartment and also the ramp that permit to get out and in the helicopter easily and quickly. It is equipped with 3 guns in the rear part, in the left and left side, and in the right side. Here there are a stretcher with the 3 barrels, and we can change position of the stretcher when we want to put that. The helicopter can be reconfigured quickly and easily in order to perform different missions.
I'm the representative of WB Group. Our group presents this missile system ZRN-01 DAISY. The system is designed for destruction and detection and destruction of the low-flying objects like UAVs or helicopters. It can be used also as an artillery system for destruction of the ground objects. The range of the system is 7 kilometers on the ground and 4 kilometers in the air. The system is placed on the Star 266 M2 truck made in Polish company Autobox in Starachowice, and we are manufacturer of the targeting system, fire control system, and all the automatization of the turret. The launcher of the missile system is from our cooperant facility from Ukraine. The launchers are straight from the helicopter Mi-24. There are RS 80 mm missiles. We can use different warheads, depends on our need.
We produce the mining machines, among other products. We produce also machines for land clearing and for road construction. And during the last years, we have invested a lot in demining. We have the state-of-the-art demining machine on the market. And we are luckily being very well received by customers. We are the ones delivering the biggest amount of machines every year. The demining machines are classified by the CWA norm 15044 from 2009 in 3 categories: light, medium, and heavy. And we have the 3 categories covered in our product portfolio. The light is for narrow spaces and anti-personnel mines only. Then we have the medium that is certified for both anti-personnel and anti-tank mines. And the heavy is for high productivity with really heavy anti-tank mines. And therefore we cover the full range. We are a much bigger company than just the mining, and we will be here in the future to supply spare parts, to provide after-sales technical support, and we have the state-of-the-art mining machine, co-developed with some customers that are following up us from the beginning of our demining activity, and now we have the best machine in the market for demining, and it's very affordable because we can reduce cost by having a much larger production.